With the permission of the chair, I will now start the quick learning online launching program. Before I go for the launching ceremony, I take this opportunity on behalf of Quick Learning and Udupi District Cricket Association to wish our beloved Pro Chancellor of Manipal Academy for Higher Education, Dr. H.S. Ballard, a happy birthday. I
Thank
request one and all to wish our Honorable President of Udupi District Cricket Association, Dr. H.S. Ballard, a happy birthday. Kindly join me.
thank you.
Happy birthday to
to
you.
you.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday to you. Happy,
Happy birthday to you, dear
Dear
sir.
sir, happy
happy
Birthday
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 to
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 you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Okay.
Good evening, everybody. A warm welcome for this Cricket Learning, a platform for online cricket coaching. Today, we are going to launch this online cricket training program for the budding cricketers, not only from Udupi, Dakshina Kannada, we are covering whole part of the country and the world. So we have with us Dr. H.S. Ballal, the Pro Chancellor of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Manipal, and also the Honorable President of Udupi District Cricket Association, and also the Honorable Director for Cricket Learning. A warm welcome to you, sir, from one and all.
Thank you.
We also have Udupi District Cricket Association President, Dr. Kudlu Krishna Prasad, the Director for Prasad Netralaya. A warm welcome, you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
We have with us Dr. Sandeep Shanai, who is the advisor for our Cricket Learning, and he was also the head of the department, our Department of Commerce, Manipal Academy of Higher Education. I warmly welcome Dr. Sandeep Shanai.
Thank you.
So we have with us the ever-playing, evergreen cricketer, Dr. Vinod Nayak, the Secretary of Sports Council, Mahe, Manipal. A warm welcome you to sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
We also have the Executive Director of AFCOSIS, Mr. Sandeep Patel. A warm welcome you to sir from Cricket Learning team.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I warmly welcome Dr. Fidi Davis, the head of the Department of Exercise and Sports Sciences, Suhas Mahe. A warm welcome to Dr. Fidi Davis.
Thank you.
So we have a bunch of cricket lovers who are in the executive committee of our Cricket Learning. I welcome Ms. Shobha, the Joint Secretary of Sports Council, Manipal Academy of Higher Education.
Thank you.
Ren Praved D'Souza, the visiting faculty of DOC Manipal, who is the manager of the Cricket Learning. I also welcome Mr. Ramdas, Management Executive of MIT Manipal. I also welcome Head Coach Mr. Nitin Mulki, who is also the BCCI Level 1 coach. I also welcome Mr. Dayanand Bangera, the ex-World Cup cricket player of Udupi. He is also the international coordinator for the Cricket Learning. I also welcome Mr. Saftar Ali, former national cricket player of Saudi Arabia, and is also the assistant international coordinator of Cricket Learning. I welcome Mr. Manjunath Manipal, the member of Udupi City Municipality, who is also the head for the public relation. I welcome Mr. Ramesh, Mr. Balakrishna Nayak, Mr. Suhan Priyas D'Souza from Shankarapura, who is the production manager, and Mr. Manish D'Souza of Shirva, or the head technical. I also welcome Mr. Mahesh Prasad, the Circle Police Inspector of Tapu, and warmly welcome Praveen S., the member of Karnataka State Cricket Academy, Bangalore, who are present in this online launching program. A warm welcome to one and all.
Thank you so much.
May I request Mr. Ren Praved Jayas, the manager of Cricket Learning, to introduce about the whole program related to Cricket Learning, a platform for the online cricket coaching. Over to Mr. Ren.
A very good evening to one and all present here. Before I start my introduction speech, on behalf of Cricket Learning, I wish happy birthday to our Pro Chancellor, which is Ballal sir. It's a great day for every one of us. On his birthday, we are launching this Cricket Learning. And to tell about Crick Learning, this is an online cricket coaching platform. The idea came to us during the lockdown period. And during the lockdown period, when there was no cricketing activities were there, and all of our coaches team of headed by Nitin Mulki, who is a BCCI level 1 coach, Mr. Dayanand Bangera, who is a ICC level 2 coach, and the other coaches team and experts, our physios and trainers, we decided that there should be some activities on the regular basis. And then we thought of conducting some sessions using online platform. And initially we started a session on food and nutrition, and we got a very good feedback from the parents, and they requested us to keep doing this same activities on a regular basis. And that's where I met my friend Mr. Sandeep Patil, who is the executive director of Applied Cognizant, and he told me, why don't you use our platform, where across India doctors are using this platform for the telemedicine training. And when we happened to see this platform, we saw something very interesting: assignment and assessment. As we all know that cricket is a game where it is more of practical oriented. And on this basis, we thought of building a content, and that's where I started meeting a lot of experts from cricket and sports sciences. And also I met Dr. Fidi Davis, and he had extended his support to us. And a lot of other experts like Raghavendra Bhatt, who is a Patanjali yoga guru, and lot many things. And we have developed a content in such a way. Today, if you ask what is there in Crick Learning, end to end, all the cricketing related solution, it is there in Crick Learning. And Crick Learning is basically from the warm-up exercise, cricketing technical elements, and even the food and nutrition, sports sciences, physios. We have a blend of experienced and young talents who are working for this Crick Learning. And much more things to come in this Crick Learning. And I have to give a credit to two people here. They are the students from Department of Commerce, Mahe, Mr. Sean and Mr. Manish. They have done the excellent job in building this platform. So, and also I have to give a credit to Mr. Praveen Yes from Karnataka State Cricket Association, who has given us the moral support. And our team is led by Mr. Balakrishna Parkala sir and Dr. Krishna Prasad. So I conclude my speech by saying that please subscribe Crick Learning, and there is a lot many things to learn. And people who are watching live in the YouTube, for them, please do write your comments in the doubts in the comment box, so that we will address once the inaugural session is done. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ran. If I want to put into a summary of your whole introduction, cricket is a funny game. We have legends and living legends, but the game does not stop for anyone. A very good platform. Thank you very much. If you train hard, winning is easy. If you train easy, winning is hard. Here, I may request Udupi District Cricket Association President Dr. Krishna Prasad to give his opening remark.
Thank you, Balu. It was really a great move by our Udupi District Cricket Association to have the online coaching class. Of course, what a day to inaugurate. Once again, it's like my father is feeling Professor Ballal's birthday. We always pray for his good health. He has been the backbone for us. And what a great day to inaugurate this in his golden hands. So I think I'll not be talking much about this training program, because all top cricket legends part of this program, like Vinod Nayak, or even persons like Dayanand Bangera, who played for World Cup team for UAE, who's a good friend of mine. He's also involved with us to helping our kids to become the better and better. And the one good thing, what I was just talking to the few of the guys around, our boys are really doing well. Even in women cricket also, today I came to know one girl from Udupi by name called Chaitra. Also, she did well, and she's been selected for the state women cricket team. So it's a very good news for our Udupi District Cricket Association. Definitely, like I'll discuss with Ballal sir personally after this corona issue get over, and we may require Ballal sir once when he is around in Bangalore. We both will go and meet the present Sports Minister C.T. Ravi. Make sure that I already spoke to C.T. Ravi. He said that we will do something that Udupi will have a separate zone. That is our dream. That has to be done within this year. This year, let us keep that one target that Udupi has to be recognized, because all our boys are doing a extremely good job. They have been playing a very good cricket. So we need the recognition, because once again, we should be really thankful to Ballal sir and Manipal University, who has been always helping us with the ground and all the infrastructure. Such a wonderful opportunity our kids are getting. Only thing is, we need to have our own recognition. Without wasting much time, once again, I congratulate our whole team, headed by Balu and Ren, who has been taken this Creek learning, so that all our kids around in Udupi and even in throughout state and even in India, definitely they can take this Creek learning app, so that their overall their talent will be definitely going to improve. And once every issues get over, I think with the Creek learning, once again, we can have the training program for all these kids. Thank you once again for the opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Krishna Prasad, for that wonderful opening remark and your good news on the Udupi District Cricket Association to be recognized by Karnataka State Cricket Academy. Thank you very much. So we have with us a silent guider who has motivated, who has given a lot of his inputs to form this Creek learning. The head of the Department of Commerce, Dr. Sandeep Shenoy Manipal. Sir, can you give your opening remark on the before the inaugural ceremony of the Creek learning?
Yeah. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Dignitaries who are attending this function, members of the executive committee, and the audience who are attending this telecast. It gives me a great pleasure to know that REN and under the guidance of the Dr. Ballal and Dr. Krishna Prasad and all the members of the executive committee has developed this innovative concept of Creek learning. And basically also it gives me happiness that two of our current final year students have also been part of this. And most important part is REN has been working consistently in the area of cricket. He was very passionate about cricket, and though he had he has two boards, one is academics, another is cricket, and he has deployed adequate time for both. So he does the guest faculty teaching at the Department of Commerce. At the same time, he makes sure that he gives adequate time for his cricket coaching and other activities. So this has led to the development of this app, and it's really a kind of boon in disguise for those in this kind of lockdown where there are many negatives. But this is one of the positives which has come out of this entire period, and it's a very innovative concept. And I'm sure with the help of Vinod Naik and FIDI, this is going to be lead to new arenas for exploring. And definitely with the advice from Dr. Ballal and Dr. Krishna Prasad, we'll have a lot of activities which may be coming under the edges of this particular app. So I congratulate the executive committee of Creek Learning for having started this innovative concept, and I wish all the best for this Creek Learning application, and I'm sure it will definitely have a lot of success, and wish Ren all the best and his team.
Thank you, Dr. Sandeep Shenoy, for your motivation and all the guidance what you have given in formation of this Creek learning. Thank you very much. We have with us the head of the Department of the Exercise and Sports Science Department of MCOS, Manipal. May I request Dr. Fidi Davis to put his view on this Creek learning.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate Ren and the team who conceived this idea. It's a very appreciable initiative from you, highly aspirational too. And I don't think it's going to be a stopgap arrangement only for the COVID times, but I think this could easily be a platform for so many aspiring cricketers who cannot have access to good facilities. I'm very happy to be a part of this team, and we assure all sports science support towards this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, Fidi Davis. We have with us the Executive Director of Ecosystems, Mr. Sandeep Patil. Sir, kindly for you a few words.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. So I think this is a very unique initiative from Udupi Cricket Association. So I think when Ren approached me for a platform where he wanted to start a online coaching initiative. So I just said, why don't you use what is existing instead of building everything from the scratch? So I think we mapped everything what we were doing for, actually we were doing training for doctors to train on telemedicine across the country for Telemedicine Society of India. So we just plugged into this and, made some customization so that, it helped Ren to start quick learning on our platform. So very happy for being part of this initiative, and we would like to have a much longer relationship with the Udupi Cricket Association and build the brand Quick Learning even further. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you very much. This online launching program is not an easy task. It was a magnificent task by our team. Before the Quick Learning would be inaugurated, we have two messages from the cricket lover and a cricket legend. May I request the organizer to give the message.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Annamalai IPS.
ರೆನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅವರು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ portal, and I'm also very happy to know they are going beyond the basics of cricket, nutrition, yoga, online counseling, everything. And knowing Ren for a long time, I know him for about 7-8 years, I'm sure that he will justify everybody's time with quick learning. I'm also very happy to note that a good friend of mine and a person whom I deeply respect and admire, Dr. H.S. Ballal, the co-chancellor of Manipal University, is also part of the program. And because of COVID, we are doing everything online. So very soon I'm looking forward to meet all of you offline, the same way that we all used to be a few months back. My sincere apologies as well. I'm stuck in Tamil Nadu and tomorrow I have an important function to happen in the next 2 days. I couldn't come on Zoom. I wish Ren and his team and Quick Learning all the very best. Let it revolutionize cricket. Let it revolutionize the rural talent. And my best wishes to everyone. Thank you so much.
Due to unavoidable reason, Annamalai sir was not able to join us, but he has wished and is all out support to successful journey of the Quick Learning. We have one more message from the former Indian cricketer, Mr. G.R. Vishwanath.
Hello all. It's my pleasure to be addressing you today. As we all know, the world is going through an unfortunate pandemic, and this pandemic demands that we maintain a physical distance from each other as well as from our passions. But this did not mean that we distance ourselves from what or whom we love mentally and emotionally. And this is where Quick Learning can help and bridge the gap that is being felt right now between players and coaches and the love of the game. By providing these various facilities via online platform, not only is Quick Learning ensuring that players are given access to more holistic cricketing experience, but also an all-round approach from fitness, mental toughness, as well as good nutrition, all from the safety of the player's home. Congratulations, Quick Learning, and good luck in your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So before I go with the start of the inaugural ceremony, it is my pleasure to introduce the inaugurator of Quick Learning, the online cricket coaching training program, the platform. Dr. H.S. Ballal, who is generally called as Hebri Subhash Krishna Ballal, who is an Indian administrator, radiologist, and pro-chancellor of Manipal Academy for Education. Dr. Ballal has been an active member of Indian Medical Association, that is IMA, and also the Vice President of Karnataka State Indian Radiological and Imaging Association. Dr. Ballal sir is a member of Central Council of Indian Radiology and Imaging Association, and also the member of National Advisor Board of Indian Journal of Radiology. He is also the chairman of Indian Radiology and Imaging Association Organizing Committee and has successfully conducted its annual conference at Manipal with over 1,500 delegates participating in this conference. He is also the chairman of Higher Education Committee constituted by Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, New Delhi, and also the member of committee set up by the National School of Pharmacy by the Pharmacological Council of India. He is the member of the National Centenary Celebration Committee of the Trained Nurses Association of India, New Delhi. We are also proud of Dr. H.S. Ballar, who is also the honorary president of Udupi District Cricket Association. Join me with a big round of applause to the birthday boy of this day and our respectful Pro-Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Ballar, for the inaugural ceremony. Sir, for the inaugural ceremony.
Yeah, good evening. First of all, I would like to thank our MC, Universal MC, Balkrishna Muttodi. He was very, very liberal in his praise. Especially because, you know, he is working in Mahe as one of the faculty of MIT. So naturally, he has to praise me, whether I'm good or bad. Anyway, thank you very much for the nice sentiments you have expressed.
All our pleasure, sir.
And I would like to thank all of those who are present here in this quick learning program, launching program, for their good wishes on my birthday. I should thank all of you for arranging this launching ceremony of this new product, you know, quick learning app, you know, which is based on newer technology on my birthday. Thank you very much. Now, Ren has told us the concept of this whole quick learning program, basically for the benefit of our youngsters, budding cricketers, who are going to be the future cricketers of our country. And as you all know, cricket is a very popular game, the most popular game in our country today compared to any other game. It is considered as a religion, and all these cricketers of name and fame are considered like demigods. They are revered so much. So naturally, we have to give a lot of prominence to this game, which is followed by many, many people. Under the pandemic of COVID-19, you know, it's difficult to have the regular outdoor activities and the regular coaching programs. You know, it's very difficult. That's why this new concept of quick learning app was introduced. I should compliment all those who are responsible for this app, you know, which is very, very good. Today, with the advance in technology, we are using the technology everywhere. You know, medicine, as they said, telemedicine, and also even teaching now. The students, since they are not in the campus, we have to do this through online methods. So I'm happy that for cricket also it has been, adopted. And my congratulations and compliments to all those who are responsible for having this quick learning app. I can see Renter, who is instrumental. And also I would like to congratulate our ever dynamic Dr. Krishna Prasad, a very, very busy eye surgeon, ophthalmologist. In spite of that, he takes enough and more time to devote for this game of cricket. And that's why we thought he would be the right person to fit into the chair of the president of Udupi District Cricket Association, which is doing an excellent job. As a matter of fact, they are setting an example for other districts to, and in our country, to emulate this program. And I'm sure by this quick learning app, you know, all our youngsters will learn the game in the right technique. Like any game, unless you learn in the right technique, you can never go up the ladder, even if you have a lot of talent. That is one of the purpose, how to make the children learn the technique of cricket, either in batting, bowling, or fielding in the right proper way, for which I have seen some of the demonstrations, especially batting and all. And also more than that, today, not only this talent, it is very important that physical fitness is very, very important, because it's an enduring game, especially the short format of games, you know, you require a lot of stamina and other things, for which diet also is very important. I am told all these things are incorporated in this quick learning app, you know, which is very, very good for the youngsters. And not only during this pandemic of COVID-19, I'm sure this will go a long way as a regular thing in the practice or coaching of our young cricketers in future as well. So my compliments to all those who are responsible for making this quick learning app. And I'm sure our budding cricketers will be more than happy. And also it will be an opportunity for all those cricket lovers also to see that the children, the parents also to participate in this program of learning where they don't have to go to the ground. And I assure you on behalf of Mahi that once things improve, we will give opportunity in our playing facilities, cricket ground facilities to all these youngsters, basically to promote this game. That is my promise, which we have been doing in the past also, in future also we will do, because we would like to promote this game, especially the future cricketers of this country. So with these few words, ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure in launching this quick learning app. It is an online platform by which I am sure our youngsters who want to learn cricket will learn the game in the right proper way. And also I would like to thank all the sponsors, all those who have invented or discovered this learning lab app, every success, and thank them for the opportunity that they have given to me, that too, to launch this program on my birthday. Thank you very much once again. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your motivation, because your motivated words are our energy, and our energy will reflect into many such quick learning program in the future. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, before I launch, I have failed to mention Shobha, the only girl who is here in this audience, you know. She is the joint secretary of our Mahi Sports.
Thank you, sir.
So, Shobha, welcome and thank you very much for participating.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure, sir. Thank you.
The cricket team is doing very well, and you are a representative.
Yes, sir, I heard that.
Our district Udupi District Cricket Association. Thank you very much for your presence. We appreciate your presence. Yeah, now I would like to launch this quick learning.
During movement, you bend your back, during loose or drop the wrist.
I am given to understand that from Karnataka State Cricket Association, we have Mr. Praveen here with us. I recognize his presence and thank him for being part of this launching program. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. So may I request Dr. Vinod Nayak, the Secretary of Sports Council, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. It's indeed a pleasure to be thanking Dr. H.S. Ballal, our Pro-Chancellor, and the Honorary Director of Cricket Learning for launching this app today and for inaugurating this. Many happy returns of the day, sir. Thank you for inaugurating this platform.
Yeah.
I would also like to thank Dr. Krishna Prasad, who has graced this occasion and being with us today for launching this online platform. Thank you so much, sir. I thank, it's a pleasure to be thanking Mr. Gundappa Vishwanath, G.R. Vishwanath, and former Indian cricketer, and Mr. Annamalai, who have given their messages for the launch of this online platform. Thank you so much. I would like to express my gratitude to the other guests of the day, Mr. Sandeep Patil from APCO Systems, Dr. Sandeep Shenoy, the head of the Department of Commerce, Mr. Dayananda Bangera, Mr. Praveen from KSCA, the coaches, Mr. Ren Trevor, Mr. Nitin Mulki, and also I would like to thank the inspector of Kapu, my good friend, Mr. Mahesh Prasad, who is also, I think, I don't know whether he's here, but he mentioned that he was part of this thing. And I would like to thank Dr. P.D. Davis, my friend, who is also with us here for the inaugural app. Thank you. And of course, I would like to thank Shobha also, the Joint Secretary of the Sports Council, Mr. Balakrishna Makala, who has been working so hard.
Very hard, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for all the efforts that you have put in. I think in these times when all are inside, the sports persons need to be out there. You're creating a substitute for being in the field actually. I'm sure it will go a long way. A big thank you to all the people who supported this, and I'm sure it will help all the budding cricket players to, and I'm sure they will, a lot of them will be part of this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Vinod Naik, for your vote of thanks. I thank once again one and all for the who have joined here for the Cricket Learning, the platform for the online cricket coaching. And this online launching program will be in the history as it is also celebrated as the birthday of our beloved Pro-Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Ballard.
Thank you.
Final note, you don't win or lose the games because of 11 you select. You win or lose with what those 11 do on the field. Thank you very much. And this Cricket Learning will go for a long time. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.